With $100,000, I'm really interested in putting some of this money into pre-construction condos, okay? There's a couple of awesome projects out there that I really like that I think would have a really good return in the future. The first one is Universal City. I really like what they're doing, their location. They're very close to the GO train station. The bridge to walk over the 401 right to Pickering Town Center is right there. So I think that's gonna make an awesome location and a really good return on your investment. The next place I really like is Viewpoint by Tribute Homes. They have the spot on Kingston Road where the Home Depot is. They've already sold out the first building. They're on the second building right now. And I think that would be a really good spot. There is a lot of cool things that are gonna happen kind of around that area. They're really looking to intensify that Kingston Road corridor. There's been a lot of new things that they're planning. We're even aware of them expropriating land from some of the owners on Kingston Road so they can actually run like 3 lanes on either side. Like one is going to become a dedicated bus lane and one, and eventually they're going to actually move that right in the middle, like some parts of York Region that they've already done.